Part 5, awakening, the wrap up. You've made it through the awakening, the collapse, the silence, the financial uncertainty, the identity shedding. So if you're here, it means something important already happened. You didn't fall apart. You didn't disappear. You stayed. So now we breathe. This part isn't about going back to who you were. There is no normal to return to. And it's not about fixing yourself either. It's about remembering who you were before you learned how to shrink, perform, or survive. This is the rebuild. It's not dramatic. It's not rushed. It's not performative. This is where you start making choices from clarity instead of fear. You redefine what success actually means for you. You speak without rehearsing. You take up space in rooms you used to disappear in. You stop waiting for permission that was never coming. You give yourself that permission. You validate yourself. You don't owe anyone any explanation for your personal healing journey. You don't need to prove how evolved you are to anybody. And you definitely don't need another sign, but if you do. So if you're here, this is it. You already survived the breakdown. You already walked through the freaking fire. What comes next isn't a rebirth fantasy. It's embodiment. Not the old version of you, not a polished version of you. The honest one. The series closes here. Next time I show up, we're not breaking anything down. We're rebuilding. 144 on that timer, 144 frequency. Like I always say, my voice activates dormant souls in people. I hope someone out there just put on a new, pair of lenses, wiped off the lenses that they have, and is looking around with new perspective, because that's what I'm here to do. Awaken you to a new level. But then, new level, new devil. Doesn't mean that, we're not going to get bothered. It just means we've reached the higher level and, shit just gets a little bit more complicated. 222 on that timer. Sort of saying keep talking, but, that was part 5. Made it this far. Show some love. Drop a comment. Jersey's raining and gross today, but, it is what it is. Soup season, soup weather. If you made it this far, I posted some stuff about soup. Go get inspired, get in the kitchen cooking. Food is medicine, food is frequency here. On that note, I hope everyone has a great, great, great day. Morning, evening, whenever this lands on your feed, because, these videos are timeless. 303, what's up? Dad, to those that, newly joined. To angel number for my father, but also 303 shows up in the Matrix, but we out here. Go follow my YouTube just in case this gets wiped. I'm all over the place. Just make sure you remember how to find me just in case this gets wiped, but I don't think so. 333 on that timer. Spirit with me, source with me. We Gucci out up in here.